beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a very exciting one. We're going to be unboxing the Fenty and Glossybox exclusive box that's literally sold out within 4 minutes on their website, and that was for subscribers. The non-subscribers didn't even get a chance, which I don't know, I feel a bit iffy about it. I feel like they should have had a chance, like they should have saved so many for the 12 o'clock non-subscribers launch. But then also I think you should be a subscriber if you, like, I subscribe to it just to get the box, if that makes sense. So I don't know, I feel a bit iffy about it. I can understand the frustration of not getting it, but then I can also understand why they would prioritise subscribers over non-subscribers. However, it sold out within like 4 minutes on the website. Like, you had to be there on the dot, ready to go to get it, and a lot of subscribers missed out on this box as well. So it's caused a little bit of chaos, this box, but I managed to somehow get my hands on it. I literally had it was my day off from work, it was on a Thursday, had my alarm set, I was ready for 9 o'clock to get this bad boy, and I'm so happy that I have, because now I'm literally only missing a blusher to do a full face of Fenty because of this box. So it retails for £30 for subscribers, sorry, and it has over £100 worth of Fenty products inside. It's actually got 6 different products inside, which is actually just crazy. The box is beautiful, like absolutely gorgeous. We've got the hiccups, and let's just get straight into it. If you are new here, by the way, I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, because it really does help out my channel. And if you're wondering what lip combination I've got on, I've got the Doll Beauty lip liner in Killing It, and I've also got the Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Joyride. Look at this box, it is literally filled to the brim with Fenty stuff. I am so excited. So the first thing, and the thing that I was most excited for, is a full-size highlighter. So this is the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. You could get this in 2 colours. I got the colour that I would have preferred the other colour because it was more kind of gold, whereas this one's a bit more pink. And if you know me, you know my channel, I love gold highlighters. It's just my thing. So still buzzing that obviously I got this box, but I would have preferred obviously the other highlighter shade, but I ain't complaining. For £30, definitely not complaining. So this is the Girl Next Door and the Cheek Freak, and this is just what it looks like. To be fair, I could try to get away with using this as a blush, if I'm honest. I might actually try that instead of buying a blush, because none of the blushes really seem to be tickling my pickle. So yeah, I might actually try that as a blusher instead. But beautiful. And that retails for, let me have a little look, see if it says it inside. Yeah, so it retails for £28. So the other one was Me Money / Hustler Baby, which was a soft champagne and a peachy champagne colour in that one, whereas obviously this one is more of a soft pink with a peachy pink shimmer as well. So yeah, I think I could definitely get away with using this as like a shimmery kind of blush. I love, like, that itself is £28, and this was £30 for the whole thing. Actually crazy, the value that you got on this box. Another thing that we got was the Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. This is literally the tiniest little mascara, but it's just a nice way of trying it, and it means I don't have to pay for like a mini one or for like a full-size one just for the sake of doing a testing Fenty kind of video. So I'm buzzing with that regardless. I wonder if it says how much that's actually worth. So it just says the sample size is 1.5ml and the full size is normally 12.5, and the full size retails for £21. So I am happy with that. Then we also have, to have a little look, oh, we have this, which I haven't actually opened it yet. This is the Fairy Bomb Shimmer Powder, and this is, if I remember rightly, it's like a loose powder. This is in the shade 24 Cray. So it says Prismatic Sparkle, it's a glimmering gold, hyper reflective and gorgeous on all skin tones, and you could use this for illuminating the face, eyes or body. It's a super fine loose powder. The packaging for this is beautiful. So you get like a little sifter for you to put in. I could probably, actually might be a little bit too dark. I was thinking I could maybe use this as a gold highlighter. This would be beautiful on the eyes. Oh my god, I don't even know if you'll be able to see that shimmer or not. And then obviously you get the little sifter to put on the top, which I think is really, really good because it means it's not going to go all over the shop. The amount of times that I've opened a loose powder and all of the powder has been basically at the top and I've nearly lost it all. Love that. That is actually adorable. I really, really, really want to try their new powder foundation that they've brought out as well, because that looks real nice. So yeah, that is the Fairy Bomb Shimmer Powder, and that itself retails for £24, which again is cray cray. Then we have a mini of one of their primers. I think this is the one that I have, if I remember rightly. So this is the Soft Matte Mini Instant Retouch Primer. This is the 15ml one, and this is normally £15. I think I got this for Christmas last year for my mum. I know I got a lot of minis to try, so I will definitely use my other one before obviously opening up this one. But yeah, I'm absolutely buzzing with that. And obviously that's like half the price of the box. Then we have a portable brush. This retails for £19. This is full size. This is the 130 portable touch-up brush. I've wanted to try their brushes for ages, ever since really the first came out. I remember being in, yeah, it must be Manchester or something for like a blogging event. Or was it Liverpool? I can't even remember. I don't know. I was somewhere and the brushes look really good and the sponge look really good. So this is obviously the touch-up brush. So it just looks like this, quite a decent size. And then obviously it's one of them ones where you pull it down and it just looks like this. Really good to kind of obviously just pop in your handbag to kind of like blend anything out if anything starts creasing or anything like that. You need to pop a little bit of kind of concealer or any kind of powder or anything on. And the packaging is gorgeous. It's the same as the highlighter. It's got like a pink shift glitter to it. So yeah, that is really nice. And like I said, that retails normally for £19. And then last but certainly not least, another full-size product and I'm absolutely over the moon for. This is the Stunner Lip Paint and Unbutton, and this retails for £20, just having a little look at the leaflet. I have a little mini version of a dark one of these. However, if I was going to buy any colour, it would most probably be Unbutton because it is just that perfect nude colour. And I've heard as well, because obviously I've got a mini version of this, I've heard that the bigger versions are easier to apply because the little version, because obviously the actual handle is quite small in it, you can't really see where you're applying it because the end of the handle is that big. It kind of blocks off the vision of the brush, so you can't really see where you're applying it, whereas apparently with this one it's a lot easier because there's a bigger distance between the end of the handle and the actual brush, so you can actually see where you're applying it. So yeah, I'm super, super excited. I will definitely be trying this in my full face of Fenty. And like I said, that retails for £20. This box is just unbelievable. I will 100% be getting any kind of future Fenty boxes that Glossy does, if they ever do it again, because this was just phenomenal. It was like worth me getting up early on my day off when I was absolutely sleep deprived, trying to get my hands on this. I can't actually get that back in the box. I'll do that off camera because it is just so worth £30 for all of these products as well. Unbelievable. I'm so glad that I got my hands on it. I'm really sorry if you didn't get a chance to get your hands on it, or if it sold out super quick and you didn't get a chance to get your hands on it. I know my friend Ellie signed up for a subscription and tried to get I was going to get hands on it and then just completely forgot about it as well, and it sold out that quick. You literally had to be like on the ball, logged in. Like I was up from like 8:30, logged in and made sure all my bill and stuff, everything matched up. I was on my laptop, I was on my computer, like I was refreshing. It was intense. It was really intense, but I'm really glad that I've got my hands in it now because like I said, I am just missing a blush, which to be fair, I could probably use that highlighting duo as my blusher, because you can see the colour a bit better there. It is definitely more of a blusher and highlighter kind of colour, so I might just kind of fob it off and do it as like a little duo, or maybe try like the little shimmery powder, the loose one, as a highlighter instead. I don't know, we'll make it work when it comes to me testing the full face of Fenty anyways. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know down below whether you think this box is worth it. I mean, I can't understand how you wouldn't think it's worth it, because £30 for this much stuff from Fenty, top jelly. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to my patrons as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully see you for a brand new video very, very soon. I love you so much. Bye guys.